The Redmi Note 9 Pro offers great specifications at its starting price of 12,999 rupees. One of the highlights of this smartphone is its quad rear camera setup, which delivers some pretty decent results, especially considering this price point. During our review, we found that the Redmi Note 9 Pro's camera delivers decent results most of the time, but in some cases it falls short, particularly with respect to low light photography. Don't worry though, to give those rear cameras a much needed performance boost, in this video I am going to tell you how you can install the Gcam mod on your brand new Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now I'm sure many of you already know how well tuned the cameras on the Pixel smartphones are, and this mod brings the Google Camera app to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. Thanks to Google's image processing engine, the Gcam mod quite often boosts the smartphone's camera performance. We have tested the Google Camera mod on the OnePlus 7 Pro and found it to be very useful. It ensured accurate color reproduction, improved details and better low light shots. This is why we were eager to install the Google Camera APK on our Redmi Note 9 Pro. Before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you know when we post a new video. Before installing Gcam on your Redmi Note 9 Pro, remember that this app is not officially supported and still a bit buggy. It still improves the quality of photos a lot, but it doesn't work as expected because the Redmi Note 9 Pro just launched. You can expect better performance and stability as modders keep updating this app. To get started, go to Google Chrome on your phone and download the Gcam mod APK and save it in your phone's internal storage. This is version 7.3.018 of Gcam and it doesn't require you to have a configuration file. When you try to install this app after downloading, Google Chrome will show you a pop-up asking you to allow apps to be installed from unknown sources. Tap Settings and then enable Allow from this source to install the Google Camera APK on your phone. Once installed, open the app and grant all the permissions to the app before you start using it. You can now start using the latest Google Camera mod on your Redmi Note 9 Pro. Now let's check out some basic features and see how well this app works on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. In our experience, after installing the Gcam mod on our Redmi Note 9 Pro, we noticed that by default only the primary camera is active. In case you wish to use the other lenses such as the telephoto lens or wide-angle lens, you'll need to go to the camera settings. To do that, tap on the downward facing arrow icon at the top of the screen and tap the settings icon. Then advanced, then auxiliary camera, and finally toggle on show buttons. However, in our case, the other lenses didn't work well and switching to the wide angle camera caused the app to crash. With 2x zoom, the app switches to the depth camera since there's no telephoto lens. Ideally, it should just do a digital zoom. Apart from this, we were not able to use the macro camera since there's no setting to enable this lens. Though Gcam does support HDR plus photography, you'll still need to manually turn it on by going to Settings, then Advanced, then Pixel AWB in HDR plus and toggle it on. Now let's look at this landscape shot. It is evident that the photo taken with the stock camera app definitely looks visually pleasing, but that's not an actual representation of the scene. Instead, the photo taken with Gcam captured the most realistic hues and colors of what the scene actually looked like. Textures are also less sharpened compared to the stock app. In this close-up shot, once again the photo taken with Gcam has the most natural colors and even the textures on the petals look realistic and highly detailed. The photo from the stock app boosts the green of leaves but in turn dilutes the richness of the pink color of the flower. In this macro shot taken indoors, details are very similar in both samples, but once again the stock app captures a warmer tone compared to the shot from the Gcam app, which produced more neutral colors. However, it can't be ignored that the app still has its limitations and isn't very stable, so we don't recommend relying on this for all of your camera needs. If you want to experiment with some of the features found on the Pixel smartphones, then by all means give this app a try. Also, if you have been using an older version of Gcam, then first make sure to clear its data and uninstall it before installing the newer version. Lastly, the Gcam mod for the Redmi Note 9 Pro is still in beta, and we are looking forward to seeing this app work its magic when these bugs have been fixed. That's all for this video. We hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then please give this video a like and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.